Here now is CBS 5 morning anchor Pat McReynolds with a look ahead to primetime news special about Jodi Arias and the murder that could give her the death penalty.
Long before Jodi Arias was a recognized name in households across the country, she was spinning lies on camera with Maureen Maher, a 48 Hours correspondent who will present a special segment tonight unraveling the lies of Jodi Arias. Maureen Maher joins us now with the preview. And Maureen, unraveling the many lies in this case might take more than the time that you've got.
I think that's true, because every time she opens her mouth, most people assume that she's lying.
That's true, but you say that you've been able to pinpoint, especially in the interview that you did with her 4.5 years ago, certain elements where we now thought they might have all been lies that you think she may have been hinting at the truth. Is that correct?
We wanted to advance the story and see if there's any way to ascertain some truth, some knowledge of what happened that night between those two people.
Jodi gave us secrets in those interviews. She gave us an insight right into what she is thinking.
Linda Kenny-Bodden is convinced that when you hear Jodi say, talk about the intruder, the woman was about 5'5", Caucasian, how she charged Jodi and Travis, and Linda believes that's what Jodi did that night.
And I just heard a loud bang, and Travis was screaming.
What do you hope, for people who are going to be watching your report tonight, what do you hope that they take away from it? Obviously, there's been incredible media saturation of this case. What do you hope that they come away from your report with?
You know, for me, what's disturbing is there's a lot of salacious detail that has been focused on in the last 4 months. I think what we need to remember is one person is dead, and by the end of this trial, when we have a sentencing and it's all said and done, likely another person is going to die or be sentenced to die. And that's a very sad occurrence in our society, and we need to take a closer look at why this happened. Jodi Arias strikes me as someone who had mental health issues for a very long time, and it was never addressed. And that's something that we should be looking at, instead of focusing on the grotesque details of it, because it's gone, Travis is gone, you want to remember him as the good person that he was. But we need to look at the Jodi Ariases in our society and try to figure out how can we get them help before they end up in this situation and kill another person.
All right, well, Maureen, thank you very much. Maureen's special 48 Hours report, Unraveling the Lies of Jodi Arias, airs tonight at 9 p.m. right here on CBS 5. Back to you.